is the UpToDate app, and the purpose of UpToDate is to provide seniors who suffer from memory loss the resources and ability to keep track of their progress, medication intake, and most especially the dosage of each medication and when to take it, in order for them to keep up with their schedule and make sure they're keeping up to date with their health. So this is the overview of the app. So when the user taps to continue, this is the QR code version when they scan the fridge. However, we'll go first into the phone interface. So the phone interface just basically shows the weekly updates. It will show the check marks once it is completed, and the list of medication, when it will be taken, and what time. Past is basically the previous medication that they already took. Future is hasn't shown yet because user has not taken the medication yet, but it would show their future upcoming medications. All medications is basically a list of every single one that the user needs to take. Our user can manually add the medication like this, scan the QR code on the pill bottle, and then it would ask you, would you like to add it to your list? If you press yes, it will get added to the list. And scan option, on the other hand, it will show the instructions of how to do it. Basically, it will go through the scan option and open the camera. They'll scan the QR code on the pill bottle, and then it will ask the same question: would you like to add it on your list? If the user presses yes, it will get added onto the list. For chat, they basically talk to the doctors and they tell them what is going on. We added 2 new features where the user can add the camera option and then select photos from their camera roll and send it to the doctor, or files and documentation that they need to send, so that is more clear for the senior and the doctor to communicate. For documents, basically it just shows everything that the user needs to know about the app, specifically like what they can do for the homepage, what each button does, and also terms and use of these terms. And specific questions like how do you chat with the doctor, how to scan the QR code on the fridge, and instructions like that. So for the fridge interface, user will open their phone. It will show up, the camera will show up on their phone. And what they need to do is scan the QR code on the fridge interface, which will be shown over here when the user taps on the screen. It will scan the QR code automatically open on the phone interface as well as the fridge interface. And for the fridge interface, the home screen would basically look like this, and it will basically show all the medication, the times, and when to take it. However, when the alarm is set and it starts ringing to remind the user when to take their medication, it will look like this, and it will show like the dosage and what type of medication, and user can just press stop.